going on a big boat tour around a few islands. Caroline, you've got your seats right at the front of the boat.
I have.
Just finished the canoeing. Really, really pretty in the middle there, really pretty. It's our final day in Phuket, and hopefully we're going out with a bang because we're going on a big boat tour around a few islands. Some of which you'll be able to see.
Some I will, but you'll be able to see it all.
And I'll be able to get off and see the rest because we're going to make the most of it. We know they're not particularly accessible, especially getting on and off the boat for the islands and the canoes and stuff, but we'll do what we can. And enjoy a lot of good scenery.
I have been warned there will be probably a lot of manhand.
Yes, we've paid 2,000 baht each for an all-day boat tour, which includes lunch and soft drinks, and 3 islands, I think, 3 or 4 islands.
I think so.
Yeah. So hopefully it's going to be good. You will come along with us and see if it is. We got it from just a street stall, and we could have booked it on Klook a little bit cheaper, but on Klook there was loads of conditions. It's hard to speak to the people, but at the stall on the stand, we have talked about the wheelchair and all that access and arranged all that, so that was much more useful for us. But anyway, let's get to the port and get on the boat.
I don't know if this is for us.
Maybe. We have arrived at the boat tour area, all checked in. Little snacks, waterproof phone, house purchase. They recommend shoes, but I'm not buying.
I recommend water shoes, yeah.
I'm not buying them.
Don't use your flip-flops or barefoot.
Yeah. We're ready to go on the boat now.
Yeah.
Caroline, you've got your seats right at the front of the boat.
I have.
Right at the front. They said you need to wear a life jacket in case you fall in.
Yeah.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew up her bow, dipped down, up below my pulley boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Just chillaxing on the boat with an orange juice. It's about an hour to the first island. We're at our first stop, which is a canoeing stop.
Lay down.
We got a duck.
Ngon, lay down.
Lie down.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, okay, boss.
Yeah. That part of the cliff, it looks, if you squint, like a monkey's skull. But that canoeist getting under there, that's skills, and it's really nice in there, Caroline.
Just turned itself back on.
It's really nice in there.
Lovely. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Hopefully the footage is good. It's lunchtime now, and there was a good choice. There's like fried rice, chips, chicken, pad thai, chili fish. Got you all the veggie stuff. Any good?
Hot sauce is fine. It's a sweet hot sauce.
Approaching James Bond Island from the man with the golden gun. This is just so pretty out here. Like, they're all hazy in the background, and then when you get up close, they're just beautiful. I had to switch on to a long-tail boat to come over to James Bond Island. Caroline has stayed on the big boat. The first thing you see is shops. but just round here is the reason you come to this island. And here it is. If you're a James Bond fan, especially of the older films, you'll recognise that. Does this place look? Like, videos and pictures don't do it justice. A bit like Hawaii, really. Got a similar kind of vibe. There's some cool rocks on this island as well. This one, I think this one to the right here, used to be on top and it slid down and then started leaning. Pretty cool. Also, it is cooler in here than out there in that beautiful sun. These tourist shops selling all the tat though, there's loads of them. Kind of spoil it. There is a drink stand, no alcohol that I can find, but a refreshing beverage. Oh, look at the coconuts. What a lovely pair of coconuts there is. Back on the boat with James Bond Island in the background. Did you have fun without me?
I just chilled for a bit. I was like, woo,
Bit of sunbathing.
just relaxed, sort of.
Just chilling.
Just chilling.
Nice island. We're off to another one now. more peaceful.
You see?
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Scooby-Doo's at the top, yeah. Just finished the canoeing. Really, really pretty in the middle there, really pretty. You missed out, babe.
Yes, I missed out, but I've been trying to save myself for the final destination. I think it would have been too much of getting on and off to and fro. So I'm hoping I can do the final one. Watch it not happen, but I'm hoping, because I've not been...
Still lots of beautiful scenery though.
There is, it's absolutely stunning. I've not been on a beach for a long time.
You were on a beach yesterday?
No, actually, physically, you know what I mean.
We're at the last stop, which is a beach stop. Not getting a jet ski, but we're at the last stop. They're just docking the boat. Ready for the sunset. Cheers, babe. Got a large singer and a mojito, 500 baht from a captive audience. But to be honest, I don't think that's too bad.
This is done with different rum and it's got brown sugar in it.
Different rum and brown sugar. And possibly Thai whiskey. Possibly. Cheers, everyone. The sun is setting behind us, so we can't see that sunset, but we'll see the colours when we get back on the boat, I think. The sea is lovely. Oh, you had a nice day?
It's been lovely, thank you.
Even though you haven't been able to get off the boat much, you've had a nice day.
I saw all the prettiness.
Well, I was there.
You were?
Oh, yeah. Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
To the end of our Thailand adventure before we move on to Singapore.
Singapore next.
Yeah.
Next.
We're back on the boat, heading to the port. We are finally back from the big boat tour. That took like 2.5 hours for a 30-minute journey. Traffic is just crazy in Phuket. Grabbed a couple of toasties from 7-Eleven because it is late and we've got a really early start in the morning for the airport when we move to Singapore. But today, had a really nice day.
And I had a hair wash because my hair was absolutely awful off the sea air.
Yeah, hope you've enjoyed our big boat experience up to James Bond Island, and we'll be back next time with our trip to Singapore. Keep making memories.
Catch you later.